Hello to the team at Albee Interior Design. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you some really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking and using the search words interior design, and this is your Seattle listing. I found that you are on page 3. You're the third business down right there. And I also found you on the bottom of page 8 in your Everett listing. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google never look past page 1. So that even being on page 3, that is a huge percentage of people who are not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and ultimately onto page 1, which will automatically multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And being on page 1 will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. That is how powerful it is to be on page 1 of Google. And here are a couple of suggestions that I have that can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing that Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. And these blue lines of text are all title tags. And the title tag, here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for. It's also telling Google that these are the very search words or keywords that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the problem I see here is that nobody searching for your services would ever even know to use your business's name in their search, even though your business's name includes the main keyword, interior design. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the right search words in your title tag. If I copy yours word for word as is, open up a new tab, click paste and go, in the search bar, watch what happens. Boom, you come up number 1 on page 1 of my new search when I use these search words that you are displaying in your title tag. But again, the problem is that nobody searching for your services would ever even know to use your business's name in their search. So my recommendation would be, and here is Google's format for a title tag. Google reads left to right, and the first thing Google wants to see is the main keyword or search word that you want to rank for, and in this case it would be interior design. And then the second thing Google wants to see is your location. And then after that, the third thing can be your business's name. So in this case, your title tag would be interior design dash Seattle or Seattle, Washington dash Albee interior design. So Google is very picky about this kind of thing. It reads things literally. And so it's trying to filter through your name to figure out to match your name with people's search queries. And again, nobody searching for your services will be using your business's name in their search. Most likely, they won't know to do that. So that little tweak alone in the title tag could have a huge impact on your ranking. However, this does tie in directly with the second issue that I wanted to point out to you very quickly, which is the second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, and that is your H1. Now, the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with, and the H1 needs to match exactly what you have in your title tag. There needs to be a one-to-one correspondence or one-to-one match. Now, going back to your website, I'm going to open up this scanning tool, and we're going to come down and find that your H1 currently is Welcome to Albee Interior Design. Now, confusion issue number 1 for Google is that this H1 does not match at all or very little what you have in your title tag. And again, Google is very literate. It takes things literally, and it looks for that one-to-one corresponding match. And there's not a match here, so that's confusion issue number 1 for Google. Confusion issue number 2 is that this text field your H1 text field, needs to contain the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And again, nobody searching for your services would ever type into their search "welcome to," and they would not know, again, to use your business's name in their search. So these two things alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because cleaning up these issues would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. And currently, as it is, Google is a bit confused about what it is that you want to rank for. And when that happens, Google consequently doesn't know who to direct to you in a search, and will, in that case, red flag and demote your website, or at the very least hold you back from rising in the rankings. Now, there are other issues involved that need to be in place, other ranking factors that Google looks at that I haven't had a chance to mention here, but just these two recommendations alone could have a very huge impact on your Google ranking. So if you'd like to know more about this and some of those other ranking factors as well, just reply back and let me know. I'd love to have a quick chat with you about it and answer all of your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. That's how powerful it is to be on page 1, and especially towards the top. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye now.